One of the biggest mistakes TPT sellers make is assuming teachers carefully study listings. Most teachers don't. They scan extremely fast. And if your listing creates confusion, they usually move on immediately. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've spent over 17 years building my TPT store and studying what actually helps products convert consistently. And one of the biggest things I've learned is this. Teachers make very fast decisions on TPT, usually within seconds, which means your listing has one main job: clarity. Can teachers instantly understand what the product is, who it is for, what problem it solves? Because when that clarity is weak, conversion usually weakens too. A lot of sellers approach covers and thumbnails like decoration. But on TPT, covers are not primarily decoration. They are communication tools. Teachers are usually searching quickly. They are scrolling quickly, comparing quickly, deciding quickly. And your listings is competing against dozens of other products at the same time. So if your cover is cluttered, hard to read, too vague, or visually confusing, teachers often skip before they even realize it. And the important thing to understand is this. Skipping does not always mean the product is bad, but sometimes the listing just failed to communicate clearly enough, fast enough. That's a very different problem. Honestly, this was something I had to improve in my own store too. For years, I focused heavily on creating strong products, but I underestimated how important visual clarity was for conversion. And if you browse my store today, you will still find older listings that need improvement. Because my store grew largely through creation before I fully understood systems. Optimizing older listings is still an ongoing process. But the difference is, once I understood how strongly covers, thumbnails, and previews impacted visibility and conversion, updating those listings started improving performance significantly. Because teachers do not buy what they do not understand quickly. One of the biggest mindset shifts for teacher sellers is realizing your covers are not primarily there to impress teachers. They are there to help teachers understand quickly. And clear listings usually outperform pretty listings on TPT. A lot of TPT sellers are improving products when the real issue is that their listings are creating confusion instead of clarity. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to show you why some TPT products rank higher than others and how visibility inside search actually works. I'll see you in the next video.